All right, so to make up to you guys for the last couple videos being fairly long, I want to make this video fairly short and sweet. What we're going to talk about here is the trial balance. Now, the trial balance basically lists out all the accounts and their balances at a particular date. So this is like a balance sheet, right? Anything with balance in it is going to show a particular date. So what the trial balance really does is we show the equity between debits and credits. So essentially, debits equal total credits, okay? We'll talk about the trial balance more in chapter 4. We'll create another one called an adjusted trial balance, and then we'll create yet another one called a post-close trial balance. So you can see how important these are to create and maintain. But we use them to really help us prepare adjusting journal entries, which we'll do in chapter 4. What we did just now for chapter 3 is what we refer to as original journal entries, okay? So after we post journal entries to the GL, the total of the accounts with debit balances should equal the total of the accounts with credit balances. There has to be, they have to be equitable, right? So you can see here, we look at the trial balance. All of our debit accounts that are listed here on the left-hand side equal 1.964. All of our credit accounts equal the same. So our debits equal our credits. Remember, I've said this several times, debits must equal credits. Okay? If they do not, we've got a problem. Now, one thing I want to point out to you guys is just because debits and credits are equal in this trial balance does not mean that the account balances are correct. Okay? That's why we produce an adjusted trial balance. It helps us to adjust the balances to their correct balances. All the original trial balance does is tell us that debits equal credits. Okay? Not that the accounts are correct, just that debits equal credits. What this means to us is that the trial balance could still contain errors. We won't work on that too much in this class. That's more of an intermediate type topic. But just know that if you are working on a trial balance and you see that your debits don't equal your credits, something's wrong, because your trial balance has to what? Balance, right? So that really is all for this chapter. I'll create another video that goes over the real world example that we do using Edgar, and then there will be some concept check questions as well that I will review with you guys. I may do those all in one video. But hopefully you're happy that this is a much shorter video than the last two. But if you guys do have any questions, please contact me. Do not hesitate. I will tell you, do not wait. Okay, do not wait to ask questions. Do not wait until you're already too far behind. Start asking questions now if you don't understand the material. If you're not comfortable asking me for whatever reason, ask one of the GAs. There are plenty of GA office hours. There are plenty of GA tutoring hours. The Bear Lab downstairs in Glass Hall, room 112, they have tutoring hours for Accounting 201. There you have plenty of resources available to you. Utilize them. Do not wait until you are just lost beyond all hope, is what you'll feel like. So contact me if some of this doesn't make sense. We will sit down and walk through it as thoroughly as we need to. All right. Thanks, guys.